the Jodger and Addy Show. I'm Jodger.
And I'm Addy. And today we're finally back. Do you know how long it's been since we did an unboxing video?
1 year.
Correct. You knew. He knew. So today, again, Jodger's mum has very kindly sourced a lot of stuff off the internet, been in the shops, and has made him his own mystery box. Take it away, Jodger.
It's a Marvel puzzle pal.
Wow.
It's a Marvel battle ball.
How cool is that?
Really cool. The Incredible Hulk.
Mean Green Hulk machine. No, I think this is for me, this is, isn't it? No? Okay. It's not.
And then we've got another Marvel puzzle pal.
Shish kebab. I hope it's not a shish kebab.
This
Don't want
is
for my breakfast.
Dumbledore's wand, but it's a pen.
Wow.
Another Marvel 3D puzzle pal.
Wow. It's good, isn't it? What's this, Georgie? Wow. Go on, speak. What is it?
A Captain Marvel Avengers Mech Strike Funko Pop.
Wow. How cool is that? Have you got any of these ones already? Have a look on the map.
No.
They're really cool. Right then. That is it, sadly. Don't look, well, not sadly, that's a really good bunch of stuff. Shall we open up these puzzle pals?
Yeah,
See who we
should
get?
we open up the battle ball?
We certainly can.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that one came off easy.
I know, we'll just open everything.
Why not? That's how we feel today, isn't it? Open up everything. Don't need this.
Since we've got the Captain Marvel Funko, Captain Marvel puzzle pal.
Nice.
Puzzle pal.
Hold on a second, do. I shall open this one. Oh. No, for talk French, did you? There we go.
Didn't know anyone could talk French.
Well, French people can talk French.
Yeah,
Who have you got
and
there?
Hawkeye.
Nice.
We will build these.
Pork pie.
Black Panther.
Nice.
Right, should we build these then?
Well, left with.
What do you think?
They're not here. Hello, we're the YouTube universe. Build them. Yeah, he's right. Build them. If you're watching in America. I will edit that, George. I will. I like it.
Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun.
Nice. That's him, isn't it?
Her.
Her. It's
Captain
her.
Marvel.
Him, her.
That's
Captain Marvel.
what I said. I told you.
That is really good.
Mm.
Not long now, Jodgy. I'll leave that out. I've called him Todgy instead of Jodgy.
Gonna put his leg on. How'd you?
Oh, you want me to help, Jodgy? He's done it. Oh no, his legs have fallen off. There we go.
That'll have to do.
That's it. Pork pie is all built.
Hawkeye.
Sorry, Hawkeye.
Do you want to do Black Panther? And then we shall do this.
Black Panther, Wakanda forever.
We have already got 2 of these, haven't we?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Don't be looking now, George. Of course not. Now this was easy for me to put together. Just needed his head on. These are really cool.
Should we open these? This?
Yeah, do it. So what's this?
This is the...
Is this like a game?
Yeah, sort of.
Tell the viewers.
Yes, it's...
It's eyebrows.
It's...
Hey up, it's ripped. That's what it is. It's ripped. That's torn it.
You don't...
Did you realise that Velcro is that expensive? It's a rip-off.
This...
You have dice, a little cat eating a frog, I think.
No.
Well, yes, it's not no, it's what it is.
Yes, it's Goose.
Goose.
That one's a goose. You can also get Ant, because it's Ant-Man, but in the suit it's not a man, it is an ant. And then Beta Ray Bill, I don't know who he is, Black Panther, Captain America, Captain Marvel, Doctor Strange, Dino Thor, Doc Green, Goose, Groot, Howard the Duck, Iron Man, Loki, Spider-Man, Throg, Ultimate Thor, Valkyrie, Gamora, Red King, Ultron, Ultron Drone, Zombie Mysterio, Zombie Red Skull, Zombie Venom, Black Panther Infinity, Captain Marvel Infinity, Groot Infinity, Iron Man Infinity, Spider-Man, Ham Infinity, and Dog Infinity. Right.
That's a lot.
Did you think it'll be in the Thanos Stone?
I think it's going to be the Thor thing you said.
That's Throg.
Throg. Sorry?
I've already got that, mate.
Oh, he's already got that, mate. Right then, so
I think it might be Captain America.
So let's have a look, see what you've got. Got.
Oh, it is Ultron.
Nice.
Dun, dun, dun,
Ultron.
dun, dun.
It's really cool.
And then this, it says stop on it because it's the card for the character in the Infinity Stone. It is Ultron.
Nice. Really cool.
And then
So
these are something for the game room.
oh, you're strong you are, Jodgy. Yeah. Good on. Muscles from Brussels.
And here is the card for the character we got, Goose. And then the Thanos Stone that Ultron came in is in the Hulkland jungle.
Wow.
It says there's a card in every time that says where
it's come from.
Yeah.
Well.
Zombie Stilt Man. Apparently. Flying drones. Heavy attack drones. And storm giants.
Nice.
And one of them is sitting next to me.
Shall we take this out then?
Yeah, sure. And then are we doing the wand?
We can have a little wand. Oh, his head's big. Oh, is he a bobblehead? Yeah. That's cool.
Captain Marvel.
She is cool.
Well, we need one of them spinny plate things.
How cool is that? That is brilliant. Quite heavy as well.
And this is the pen. Just need one. Now
It's wrong.
some
You have to say the
wand.
magic thing what he says, isn't it?
What?
Fan dabby dozy!
And then
Is it? No, it's not that.
and then you can get the other end. And it's a pen.
Wow.
A long pen.
Cool. So, take a few pictures, put them on our Instagram page at the Jodger and Adger Show. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I think that's it. Anything else you want to? Thanks for watching. That's the main thing.
And ring that bell.
The notification bell.
Yes.
And then you'll be notified when we upload.
Yes, you will.
So.
Uploaded, man.
Uploaded, man. So
whoever is watching this.
Thanks.
Yes.
Subscribe. Go to our Instagram page and give us a follow. It all helps. And we are out. And we are out. Boom.